the Surendra Diransha. I'm on 3 Nautical A on Samudra Indonesia Shipping School in Medan Marelan. So today I will give you my lesson today. My lesson today is English Maritime as well. My big title of the lesson is Connection Communication for berthing the ship in the dock. Okay, first of all, the ship will be communication to the port control first. Then they have to make sure they need information what is the situation in the dock right now. After that, the port control will ask the ship of the data of the ship. They ask for the length overall. They have to make sure the draft is use it.
Yes.
Okay. After the port control get the data of the ship, they will get the destination of the ship. Until this, they tell to the ship like your destination is the dock number 1 and your ticket is 200. This one is the ticket. Like you have to berthing like this.
Yes. What is the position alongside?
The position alongside is starboard alongside.
Starboard side. That's
starboard
right.
Side.
Starboard side. What is the ticket number?
The ticket number is 201 and 207.
207.
Yes.
Okay.
Then port control give information to the Alpha ship. Your destination is dock number 1 and your ticket number is 201 and until 207. Then Alpha ship make sure the line track is that on the draft. Max draft is 9.2 and the draft of the ship is 7.8 meters.
Yeah.
That's make sure that it can be well to be through the line track. After this, they can use this track till berthing alongside here. Well, okay, maybe it's over for me.
I think you're forgetting about what is the theme of your discussion on this today. What is the theme? Theme is mean the judul.
The theme is connection and communication for contacting to the berthing in the port, something like that.
Okay, that's
Maybe
it.
it's over. Thank you.
Thank you, Iska.